Hello students, welcome back. Yesterday in the previous video of the chapter The Tsunami, we have completed half of the chapter. So today we will move on with the remaining half and the exercise of it. In this part of the chapter, we will learn that how the sense of an animal works in the time of disaster. Before tsunami in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals fled to safety. Elephants ran for higher grounds, dogs refused to go outdoors, flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas as seemed to know what was about to happen. It is believed that animals either possess a sixth sense or have more acute hearing that helps them to hear or feel a vibration. Near about 150,000 people killed in tsunami in a dozen countries, but not many animals reported dead. In Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors were washed away, but only 2 animals died. In the same park, people had observed 3 elephants run away from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit. A man on the coast near Gale in Sri Lanka had 2 dogs. On that fatal day of tsunami, they refused to go to the beach with their master. So the master too stayed back. Thus the dog had saved his life also. Thus we have finished up the chapter. So now look at the questions. Now look at comprehension check at page number 30. Answer using a phrase or a sentence. First is, in the tsunami, 150,000 people died. How many animals died? Answer, not many animals died. Second, how many people and animals died in Yala National Park? Answer is 60 visitors and only 2 water buffaloes died at the Yala National Park. Number 3, what do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? Answer, the people at the Yala National Park had seen 3 elephants running away from the Patanangla beach about an hour before the tsunami hit. Next, number 4 is, what did the dogs in Gale do? The dogs at Gale refused to go out for their daily run on the beach. Now the long one questions. Question number 1 is, when he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reasons for your answer. Which sentence in the text tells you that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? And your answer is, no, Ignatius did not suspect a tsunami when he felt the tremors. He took his television set and placed it on the ground so that it would not fall and break. This shows that he didn't get worried of a tsunami immediately. Otherwise, he would have rushed out of the house at the first hint. The sentence in the text which shows that the Ignatius family didn't have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck is, in the chaos and confusion, 2 of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. Next question is, how are Meghna and Almas stories similar? Answer, Meghna and Almas both were lucky. Meghna was carried away with her parents and other people, but she alone survived. She was washed ashore by a wave. Almas climbed onto a log of wood. When she opened her eyes, she found herself in a hospital in Kamota. Moving further with the next, look at your next question. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? Answer, not taking her seriously, Tilly's parents could have tried to calm her down, thinking that she had been frightened by something. As a result, they could have been washed away by the tsunami waves. If I were in their place, I too would have listened to her and realized that there was a danger approaching. Consequently, I too would have rushed away from the beach. Next question. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she should share it with? Her parents or her geography teacher? Answer. If Tilly's award was to be shared, she should share it with her geography teacher who made her aware of tsunami in the first place. It was this awareness that helped her save so many lives. Now look at the last question. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? Your answer is many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. On the other hand, some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them hear or feel the earth's vibrations. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans can realize it. This second idea is more believable. So, students, we have ended up our second chapter, the tsunami. Meet you in the next video with the new chapter. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.